gonna make them work, okay? Period. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Zafirah Shadiyah here, and thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a return subscriber, what's up? So you guys, I'm so glad to be back. Your girl is back. Whatever, I took a couple weeks off, but your girl is back in action. And first of all, elephant in the room, your girl's new hair. She's cute. We love her. She's cute. All the details for this hair will be in the description box. Hopefully I am not flashing you guys. I was gonna put on a jacket, but baby, between the lights and the sun, I'm hot filming right now. In today's video, you guys, I'm super excited. This is my first time actually purchasing something from this company. We have Miss Lola, yay! Actually never really purchased anything from them, which is so crazy. My first time actually going to one of their locations was when I was in Cali. I also have a vlog on that as well, you guys. It's like super old. I think it was like a couple years ago. They have so many different locations in Cali. So when I seen it, I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my God, I'm always on their website. So I went in the store. I was about to buy me some shoes. They didn't have my size because it was super popular. Then like it sold out online. So I never like kind of went back to try to see if they had them anymore. But I'm always on their website, and I feel like they always are having sales as well. And I got these items when they had a sale, which was, I believe, like last week. I think it's still going on. I think they have like 30% off and like 50% off certain items as well. So you guys, let's just get on into it. I have not even opened none of these products, so I'm really anxious because I'm ready to get these products out so I can wear them, and I'm saving it all for you guys, y'all. I have a whole, oh my God, you guys. Oh, it's the box for me. That's bigger than me. So I literally have a box full of stuff. I only got like I believe 4 items in here. So we'll start with like the shoes. So if you don't know what Miss Lola is, they do specialize in tons of shoes. Like they have so many shoes, you guys. Like I can be on there for hours scrolling. They have so many different shoe options: booties, boots, sandals, heels, literally any and everything you can think of, slides, everything you can think of they have. And then they also have some apparel as well. They have their own like original line. They have some really cute accessories as well. So yeah, they're a pretty much all around bomb store to shop your needs or whatever. This is the first pair of shoes I got. I think I got 2 pairs of shoes, accessory, a bag, and then I got a clothing piece. So this is where all of the shoes come in. They come in like a cute little dust bag that says Miss Lola. We love that. And I will do an up close on everything. I'm not gonna actually try these products on because y'all, my feet ain't done. My toes are not done. So I will be doing those soon, but you will get an up close on everything. So don't you worry. So I actually got me 2 pairs of slides because you guys, I've been wanting some furry slides. Honestly, I could have got like some Uggs or whatever the case may be, but I felt like these were cute and, you know, more affordable, honestly, because who wants to be dropping a lot on some Uggs, on some slides? Not me. So these are like super affordable. Let me see. I don't remember how much I paid for all of this. I think the pricing, the little package slip is at the bottom, but I'll put all the description for everything down below. So these are the first pair of slides. These are so cute. Can you tell this goes with my aesthetic? Like, first of all, it goes with the background. Second of all, it goes with my vibe and my aesthetic. These are super cute. See what they look like. They have like the double, it looks like the double strap to them as well, which is so cute. Y'all, they're so soft. I cannot wait to wear these. So I think I got these in a size 6. So yes, I have baby feet. So literally my sizes range between 5, 5.5, and 6. So yeah, this is the first pair of shoes. I love that they come in a dust bag too, because I personally keep my dust bags, especially if I'm like going out of town or traveling. So the next pair of slides also obviously comes in a dust bag as well. These, oh my God, these are so cute. Y'all, these are so cute. Hold on. These are super cute. Are these, what size are these? These are a 6'2". For some reason, these look gigantic. Hopefully they fit my feet. These are pink, but this pattern is a little bit different. It almost was giving me Louis Vuitton type of vibe just by like the print. I don't know if you can tell, but how like the print is, it looks very like Louis Vuitton-esque inspired. I love this color pink. It's very blush. It's not like a bright tone pink. So these are very wearable, like around the house or out and about. Love these. These also have a double strap as well. Cannot wait to wear these. These are super soft too, you guys. Oh, I'm dying. These were a size 6. Hopefully I can fit these because they do look a little gigantic, but we're gonna make them work, okay, period. So yes, these are the second pair of shoes I got as well. And I want to say both pairs of slides were under like $40. They both were under $40, and I believe I got either 50% or 30% off. So such a good deal, super affordable, which we all love. So the next item, I told y'all this was like a quick little haul. I just wanted to give y'all a little something or whatever. I'm super excited about this bag, you guys, though. So this next item is actually a purse. Oh my god, I can already tell she's so pretty. Okay, so she also comes in a dust bag as well. So the moment of truth. Oh, she is so cute. Little slow-mo action for you guys. Oh, she's so cute, you guys. So this is a book bag, like a backpack. I love like backpack purses because I feel like you can put this with so many different, like you literally can just throw this on with so many different things. You can put so much stuff in it. It's good for traveling as well, whenever time permits to travel, of course. And it's obviously tan. So I'm just gonna take off all of like the, let me see if I can take off all the wrapping so we can get the real effect, you guys, because it's doing me no justice right now. This is the bag, you guys. This bag is amazing. When I tell you I'm obsessed with this bag, I'm obsessed with this bag. It is like a tortoiseshell snakeskin type of material. It's a top handle like backpack style bag, which I am obsessed with personally. I know for me personally, I love like backpack type of bags just because you can wear them around, you can throw them like, throw them on with anything. And the straps are adjustable at the bottom, as well as I believe you could take these off too, which I like. That way you could just wear it as a top handle bag, which is also a clutch, okay? Versatile. We love versatile over here. So you guys, it's the color for me. The color is what got me to getting this bag. So you'll just twist the whole top and upside down, and then it'll pop open. You guys, the amount of space that's in this bag blows me. I did not realize it was so much space in this bag. We have a zipper right in the front, a small zipper where you can put like little things, little odds and ends, knickknacks, like AirPods in it, your headphones, gum, anything of that nature can like go in this little portion. And then the main portion, you guys, it's so much space in here, like you won't be able to fully tell. There's a zipper compartment back here. And there is a, what is it? A little, what is this called? Another little compartment on this other side where you can like put stuff in too. And it's like 2 sides to it. So I love that you can put so much in this purse, you guys. Like, it is about to be bad because I'm about to be sticking so much stuff in this bag, y'all. So this is super cute. I did get this in a medium. I knew I kind of wanted it oversized. And also, I think they were sold out of a small, and I really just wanted it. So I was like, a medium should be okay. It'll just be a little oversized. We can work with it, no problem. So this is so cute. It's so soft. It literally says, hopefully y'all can see, it says motivated AF. We love that. 2021 motivated AF, okay? Because we're trying to make things happen this year, period. Last year was not the best, but you guys, we're gonna make a comeback, okay? So I thought this sweatshirt, well, not sweatshirt, this crew neck was super fitting. Obviously everybody wants a little motivation in their life because, you know, times are crazy, and I know sometimes we are in the house and not doing what we want to do and not at where we want to be at. So I know that can get discouraging sometimes. So just to remind everybody, stay motivated. AF. Period. Okay? We're in this together, you guys. We're in this together, okay? So this was super, super cute as well. Like I said, I'll have the pricing of how much this was in the bottom as well. It's like a dark heather gray. I want to say like heather gray. It's heather gray. Love this. Cannot wait to style this as well. I cannot wait to style all of these pieces. So yes, you guys, I feel like that is actually all for this haul. This haul was super, super quick. Nothing too crazy, you guys. You know, sometimes I know my hauls can be, we could be here for hours, but today was a little quickie. It was a quick one today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all of the pieces in the description bar, so please do not forget to like look at the description bar. I will link everything because I'm sure, hopefully, if none of these pieces are out of stock, I will have everything linked for you guys as well. Let me know what's your favorite pieces from this haul. Also, have you guys shopped Miss Lola? If so, what do you have? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and rate this video, of course. And I will talk to you guys in the next one, you know? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.